got the entire makeup vanity kit from the brand Charlotte Tilbury. I'm super excited for this one because इतने सारे एडवेंट कैलेंडर देखने के बाद फोमो हो रहा था. Finally, I have something मेरे पास भी. Let's unbox this together. Out of all the luxury makeup brands, Charlotte Tilbury is my one of the most favorite brands. So like, I'm super duper excited for this one. Please give it a minute to adore this beauty, this pretty luxury cutie over here. It has this one cabin and these two drawers over here. We'll unbox this in the second part because this video ka time already ho gaya. Come back for the part 2.